Speakers today. I have next to me our High Commissioner for Human Rights, Mr. Volker Turk. Next to him, we have the Honorable Mr. Dr. ASIF NAZRUL, who is the Ministry of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs representative from the Government of Bangladesh. Next to him, we have Ms. Farhana Sharmin Imu. And then we have here Mr. Mir Mahmood Rahman, who will also be our speakers today, representing civil society in Bangladesh. Each of the speakers will deliver a brief presentation, followed by a Q&A session with you all, and then there will be closing remarks.
Thank you. My question is to Advisor NAZRUL. My name is SUHAS Chakma from the Rights and Risk Analysis Group. Will the interim government of Bangladesh extend democracy to the Chittagong Hill Tracts, where both the Hill District Council and the Regional Council never had elections from 1989. So, will the government of Bangladesh take measures to hold elections to ensure that people could exercise democracy in that region too?
There was one question about election in CHT. I should reaffirm that our government is committed to the voting right of every person in Bangladesh, be it at the CHT area, be it at any other places. And we have already formed a commission which will work on the local government issue.